Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Lexus UX300e, so fully electric vehicle. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off in the boot area of it first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space, and the necessary charging cables for the vehicle as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see firstly the wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Great looking car as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. So in the bottom left-hand corner, you can see the total miles for this car, which are only 688. So very low mileage, of course. In the centre, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. It will show you what gear we're in at the moment, which is, of course, park. And we've got a gauge there to show you how much of the power you are using for the electric motors. Speaking of electric motor, over on the right-hand side, you can see the charge level for the vehicle. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have stereo controls, phone controls, lane departure warning system, forward collision warning system. We have the plus and minus pedals so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And then into the center, the main touch screen for the vehicle. And so we have all of our options down this right-hand side. So settings menu, for example. Above that, we have a kind of notifications menu. We have our vehicle settings. We have our telephone. Once you've paired your phone, you can, of course, make and receive phone calls. You can also stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. And as you can see, we've got USB input, various apps that are available, Miracast, so you can have Lexus-friendly apps projected up onto this screen. Loads of ways to listen to your music. And in the top right-hand corner here is where you can subscribe to the satellite navigation in these vehicles, should you wish to. We've also got a full colour reversing camera that has guidelines showing you what direction the vehicle is headed in. And if you turn the steering wheel, you can see that moves with you, but it shows you what direction the vehicle is headed in relation to the image shown on the screen. Below that, we have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed from over here, up and down there. You can turn the whole system off from here. You can change the direction of the air and what direction it's being distributed in, and you can put the system into auto. The car will then take full control of the fan speed and direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for, which you can override by adjusting the fans accordingly. The on and off button for the car is just here. We have 2 cup holders, the gear lever for your fully automatic gearbox. That button puts you into park. Otherwise, you've got drive, neutral, reverse, and as I say, park on that button just there. The last thing I wanted to run through is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So you can see it's only a year old, of course, the V5 registration document showing that it's a one-owner car from new. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.